Welcome back to Motor Future. In a world of futuristic machines and AI-driven designs, Suzuki has decided to roll the clock back just enough to stir some serious nostalgia while keeping one foot firmly planted in the present. Enter the all-new 2026 Suzuki GS400 Neo-Retro, a modern-day homage to the iconic GS series of the 1970s. For those who love the spirit of classic motorcycles but crave the reliability and performance of current engineering, this new release might just be the perfect fusion of past and present. From the moment you lay eyes on the GS400 Neo-Retro, it's clear what Suzuki was going for, a design that whispers vintage but speaks modern in execution. The silhouette mirrors the original GS400, with its rounded tank, flat seat, and upright posture. But then you spot the LED lighting, the digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster, and the slightly beefier stance, and suddenly, you're reminded this is a 2026 machine, not a museum piece. Available in a trio of classic colorways, metallic Triton blue, matte black, and vintage gold, the GS400 manages to look timeless while subtly flexing its 21st century upgrades. Under the tank, the GS400 Neo-Retro houses a 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine that churns out around 45 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque. The engine is an evolution of the tried-and-true architecture used in Suzuki's smaller sport and commuter bikes but retuned for smoother torque delivery and low-end grunt, perfect for urban commutes or weekend cruising. Mated to a slick 6-speed gearbox and assisted by a slipper clutch, the bike is responsive, beginner-friendly, and still engaging enough for seasoned riders. Suzuki's engineers have tuned the exhaust note to mimic the throaty growl of vintage GS models. The twin-pipe layout doesn't just look authentic, it sounds it, too. And thanks to modern emission control systems, it meets Euro 6 standards without sounding like a vacuum cleaner, unlike many other retro offerings in the segment. The chassis is lightweight yet sturdy, featuring a steel tubular frame that adds to its classic aesthetics while ensuring solid handling characteristics. Up front, you get 41mm telescopic forks, and at the rear, twin shock absorbers, a clear nod to its retro roots, but tuned with progressive damping to offer real-world comfort and cornering ability. It's no track monster, but for city rides and twisty weekend roads, the GS400 feels confident, planted, and incredibly enjoyable. Braking duties are handled by a single 310mm front disc with a twin-piston caliper and a 240mm rear disc, backed by a dual-channel ABS system. The brakes are progressive and reliable, striking a balance between responsiveness and safety. You're not going to stop on a dime, but you'll stop with assurance. Now let's talk tech, because this is where the Neo-Retro concept really shines. The instrument cluster combines a large analog speedometer with a digital inset that displays gear position, fuel economy, trip data, and even smartphone notifications via Bluetooth pairing. Yes, the GS400 comes with built-in connectivity. Through Suzuki's Ride Connect app, riders can sync their devices for navigation, music control, and call alerts. There's even USB-C charging tucked neatly under the handlebar for your phone or action cam. Another subtle but welcome touch is the adjustable traction control, a rare feature in this segment. With 3 modes and the ability to turn it off entirely, the GS400 caters to both novice and spirited riders. While you won't find cornering ABS or IMU-based controls here, the inclusion of basic rider aids at this price point is commendable. Speaking of price, Suzuki has aimed this bike squarely at the middleweight retro segment. The expected MSRP is around $6,999, positioning it just below the Yamaha XSR 700 and Triumph Speed Twin 400, while undercutting Royal Enfield's 650 twins in some markets. For what you get, modern reliability, retro looks, and daily usability, it's one of the most competitively priced Neo-Retro bikes of the year. Ergonomically, the GS400 Neo-Retro is all about balance. The seat height of 795mm makes it accessible to most riders, while the rider triangle keeps you upright but not too relaxed. It's versatile enough for short weekend rides, daily commuting, or even light touring. The seat itself is a blend of style and substance, flat, ribbed, and cushioned just enough for comfort without looking bulky. Suzuki has also paid attention to detail in the accessories department. Buyers can opt for factory-fitted add-ons like saddlebags, a cafe racer-style seat cowl, bar-end mirrors, and even a fly screen. These additions allow for easy customization without voiding warranty or compromising build quality. One of the GS400's strongest points is its fuel economy. Suzuki claims around 28 to 30 km/L, which, combined with a 14-liter tank, offers excellent range for daily use. For urban dwellers and those who want a good-looking, low-maintenance companion, this bike is a no-brainer. Another hidden gem in the GS400's arsenal is its low curb weight, around 175 kilograms, which makes it incredibly manageable in traffic and while parking. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider looking for something nimble with a classic edge, this motorcycle ticks a lot of boxes. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Suzuki GS400 Neo-Retro isn't just a style statement. It's a well-rounded, feature-rich motorcycle that respects its heritage while embracing modern needs. It's fun to ride, economical to run, and looks like it just rolled off a 1970s showroom floor if that showroom also had Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ride modes. Whether you're a retro enthusiast or just someone who appreciates smart design and great value, this Suzuki deserves a serious look. For those dreaming of owning a piece of the past without giving up today's conveniences, the GS400 Neo-Retro is more than a motorcycle, it's a time machine that doesn't skip on traction control. Keep an eye out at your local dealership, this might just be your next two-wheeled love affair.